Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2020 Bentley MULSANNE Speed. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Not seeing any paint chips, scratches at all on the front. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. Okay, the front and back door are in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Back here looks perfect, no scratches on the trunk, and the back bumper is in excellent condition as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good. I'm not seeing any scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door look very good here. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, everything over here looks fine. Let's have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the passenger side looks perfect as well. Let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. No wear and tear at all. No scratches, no rips. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.